Hi guys, thought I'd share this video with you. Recent problem, well, a problem that's been reoccurring actually, which is a known problem for DJI Phantom 3 advanced drones. I don't know whether it applies to the rest because I don't own any of the others, but I do own one of these, and I do know that the video lagging is a problem. It's a dangerous issue, it's a safety issue, so it needs to be addressed. Now, there is lots of information in reviews and help within Google searches, but there's no videos as such on how to rectify this dangerous issue with video lagging on the DJI Phantom 3 Advanced. This is the third time now this has happened to me. Like we said, there's no videos apart from this one. So we're going to show you how to do this. First, you will need a flathead screwdriver with a fine tip. You will also need one pair of snips. You will need one pair of pliers. You will also need every pilot's favourite tool, a can of compressed air. If you've not got this in your bag, then you're not a DJI pilot. Okay, so the procedure goes as follows. We need to take off the gimbal. I was going to do two videos, an instruction on how to take off the gimbal, but it's not necessary because this is the same process and it involves both the jobs. So we're going to turn the drone upside down. We're going to take off the pins that hold on the gimbal and the shock absorbers. Now, factory ones fitted will come off easy by just compressing and then pulling off, but most of the times you will have to cut off the tip. These are already taken out, so we want to take out these pins, take them out, all of them, so the gimbal is loose. We then want to get the screwdriver and we want to gently ease out the shock mounts of the gimbal. It's quite fiddly, so just be careful. Just gently ease them out of their seats. Oops, that one's a bit stiff. Now, this issue of video lag, it is very, very dangerous. So this will address the problem. Okay, so with all the pins out and the shock mounts there, we need to disconnect now the gimbal by the two wires, the two fixing pieces there. I don't know if you can see them, the cables that fix to the gimbal. We need to take them out. So with your screwdriver, push the pin in and gently ease out the connector. They will only go in and come out one way, so I'm going to turn the gimbal around so easier access. It's quite a fiddly job, don't rush. There you go. Okay, so the gimbal is out. Now, the problem with the lagging is caused by micro dust in the air, and believe it or believe it not, it gets in the terminals. So it's a pretty straightforward fix, and what we do is we disconnect those cables, the connectors, and we simply compress air, blow, and just general clean up all the gimbal inside and the rotor there, and also on the terminals itself. Just a blow and a blow. Give everything else a quick blow while the gimbal's off, and then simply reassemble as you've taken it off. Now, as we said before, they will only go in one place, and they will only go in one way. So just connect the pins back into the plugs, quite a fiddly job, but again, like I say, don't rush. These parts are so expensive and we don't want anything to happen to them. There you go, there's the click for the first one, and for the second one, click. And then basically we refit the gimbal to how it sits. You put the rubber seats back in. We connect all the rubber seats. It's quite a fiddly little fix, but the most important thing is that it is a fix. And it is a proven fix, because this has happened now 3 times in my 6 months of being a pilot for DJI with my drone. And the 3rd time I've had to do the fix. And there's no video information, so hopefully this will be of benefit to you guys all around the world. So we're going to pop back in the pins. Just push them on until you get a click. Back on until you get a click. Now I've got to put 2 brand new ones in the other one because I actually damaged them when I broke them out. But you can with a bit of patience just pop them back on, the original ones. That one's clicked and gone back on, and we'll put the next one on, just a fiddly one, and again a new cap and a click, and hey presto, that, my friends, is the fix for lagging video on your Phantom 3 Advanced from DJI. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helps. It's certainly done the trick for mine. Stay safe, keep flying. Adios.